Hi, today we're looking at project proposals and we're going to understand how we can create PDF files from this simple project proposal template file that I have created in a Google document with the help of a database that we have in Notion. So essentially, if you see this Google document, I have created a project proposal sample template file, and corresponding to this template file, I also have created a Notion database which has all the elements for a project proposal. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be automating the solution of creating PDF files, and we'll generate a PDF file one by one for every row of this Notion database with the help of the information that we have on the database and this Google document as a source of template file. So how will this work? First of all, head over to pdfoutput.com. This is a website which will help us create the automation. Click on get started and simply choose one of the accounts that comes up on the screen. So I'll choose this account for my automation setup. Click on continue and make sure you click on this checkbox, which is very much essential to create the entire automation. Click on continue, and now you will land up inside this page where you can add your Notion database and the Google document, and then you can proceed further with the automation setup. So what I'll be doing is I will click on this add Notion database over here, and then I will simply add the database which I have created over here. So what I'll do is I'll copy this database value. So I'll simply copy this value. I will go over here. I'll click on select pages. Make sure you choose the right account. Click on select pages, and I will paste that value over here. So it shows me project proposal database. I will select this, and you can see the project proposal database has been added. I will remove the other databases which are not needed. I will click on allow access, and now it will give me access to the database. Let me refresh this page once, and you will be able to see the database that will populate over here, and it will take me to the document section. So I need to add the document right now. So I'll just click on add Google Doc, and here what I can do is I will just simply copy this document title from here. So let me select the entire document title, and I will copy this title and I will put the title inside this field. Search for it and you will find the document popping up. Click on this and click on select. So now the document and the database both have been connected, as you can see over here. What we need to do next is we need to start mapping all the fields of the database which we have added onto this Google document, and then we can generate the PDF files. So first thing which I need is I need the project title. Okay, so what I can do is I can search for the project title over here. So I can just type out project title, and you can see it is showing me project title. Click to copy this value. So once it is copied, you can just go over here, remove this particular field which you do not need, and just Control V or Command V on the keyboard to paste it. Okay, so I will again select the client name from here. So click to copy and remove the particular field which you do not need, and just simply paste it. So Control V or Command V to paste it. I will go with few more fields, and then we can look into how exactly it works. So we need the prepared by field. So let me see if I have a prepared by column over here. So I can simply take the name column, as I would need to search for all the fields. I just copy the name column and I'll remove this and I will paste it over here. Okay. Then let me fetch the date from here. So I'll just click to copy and I'll put it over here. So I will only map these four fields. You can obviously map all the fields that you have at the bottom. So let's go with the mapping of the four fields and generate the PDFs. So once all the mapping is done, click on download PDF, and here you have certain settings. You can go with all the rows for the PDF export, or you can select custom rows, or you can define range of rows. I will go with all the rows, as I'm going to go with all these three rows of data. Then what you can do is you can define how the files will be named. So I want to name the files as per the project title. So I will just select project title from this drop down. So scroll down, then you will find project title somewhere over here. So let me select this project title selected. Click on start, and now it will start generating me the PDF files. So basically we'll get three PDF files from the database, and it will automatically manually map all the values as it is required. Okay, so it is generating the files for us. Let us wait. So all the three files have been created. Let's go to the downloads folder to check the output. So you can see we have got three files. First is app development. Let's open it up. So you can see the project title is app development. This it has fetched from the database which we had added, which is available over here. And all the values like the client name, the prepared by field, the date field which we had mapped has been correctly mapped. Okay. Similarly, if you check the marketing campaign, this has also been mapped properly. And if you check website redesign, this has also been mapped. So basically, we quickly created three PDF files fetching the values from the Notion database, and we even renamed the files as per the proper column which we had decided. So this is how quickly you can add a Notion database. You can add a Google document. You can quickly copy and paste the properties onto the document, and you can generate the PDF files as necessary. If you're using relational properties, make sure all the databases which are used. So let's say you have multiple columns which has relation properties. So make sure all the databases which are being used are must be added while you're adding the database over here. And once it is added, then you can proceed ahead to generate the PDF files with the relation setup. But I hope this demonstration was helpful to you. If you have any questions for this, just reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you with any queries, or you can simply use this chat bubble and send me a message with whatever issues you have. I'll be happy to resolve on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.